The most impressive electric BMW M auto, BMW M is presenting an all-electric exhibition model at the highest point of the new BMW 7 Series range. The BMW i7 M70 xDrive conveys the ideal blend of electric versatility and execution, bringing about a driving encounter novel in the extravagance fragment. Its M explicit design of the drive framework, comprising of two profoundly incorporated drive units at the front and back axles, sets dynamic norms. Sporting presence. Luxurious elegance. Fronted by M-specific design features, the i7 M70 xDrive flies the flag for a new era of all-electric mobility in the luxury segment. Completely electric M power. The BMW i7 M70 xDrive is the most impressive BMW M model with a completely electric drive framework. It is furnished with an electric engine at both the front and back hub, producing a most extreme framework result of 485 kilowatts, 660 horsepower. AM explicit arrangement empowers the back pivot engine, specifically, to accomplish exceptional degrees of force thickness. The drive unit has a 6-stage plan with a double inverter. This structure is the reason for an exceptionally significant expansion in top result that remaining parts on tap up to high paces, enriching the BMW i7 M70 xDrive with the influence conveyance normal for M models. A framework force of 1,015 Nm in game mode and as much as 1,100 Nm when M send-off control or the M game lift capability is enacted offers remarkable pulling power. Equipped for running from 0 to 100 km/h in a noteworthy 3.7 seconds, the BMW i7 M70 xDrive is additionally the quickest absolutely electrically fueled BMW M auto. Maximum velocity is electronically restricted to 250 km/h. At the point when M send-off control or the M game lift capability is actuated. In short, this machine is a masterpiece, and it seems that we will do more fascinating things like this in the near future. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's finish the video by watching the different views of this masterpiece.